Hi and welcome to another instrument choice support video. In this video we'll show you what comes in the box with the HI145-00 T-Shaped Thermometer. This T-shaped digital thermometer with stainless steel penetration probe offers an ergonomic design and delivers high accuracy measurements over a wide temperature range. Another great feature of this thermometer is CalCheck. This is a self-check of its calibration status and it displays on the LCD. This ensures accuracy, repeatability and confidence in readings. In the box is a calibration certificate, an instruction manual, a protective cap which can also be used to hold the thermometer on the side of a vessel, a rubber cap, and the T-shaped meter. As you turn the device on pressing the on-off button, CalCheck is performed. Then the meter immediately starts taking temperature measurements and displaying them on the bright, clear LCD screen. The other button is a hold button. This pauses measurements on the screen. And lastly, there's a stainless steel probe. This is ideal for applications where applied force is necessary for insertion, such as incoming meat inspection and inspection of semi-solid foods. And that's what comes with the HI145-00 T-Shaped Thermometer. We hope that you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.